Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You see this juice, this smoothie, that is what I'll be using to chill with the big boys today. That is Valentine. Okay guys, happy Valentine to everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we want to make a healthy and nutritious weight loss smoothie, something that can help you detoxify yourself, reduce bloating and regulate your blood pressure. So these are the ingredients that we are going to, the fruits and vegetables we are going to use are apple, blueberry, lemon. I have some parsley fresh leaf. I have some plain yogurt. All these things can help detoxify yourself, help reduce blood pressure, reduce bloating, and also boost your immune system. Like, it's one smoothie that you would love to try out because it's so healthy and it's so nutritious. So without wasting your time, let us dive into the video properly. So the first thing I'm going to do is to peel my apple. I am removing the back, but it's optional. If you don't want to remove the back, you can blend it all together. Apple is rich in fiber and antioxidants. It helps reduce the risk of many chronic conditions. So after peeling the back, I will cut it into smaller sizes and put it into my blending jug. So I will add in my blueberry into the jug also. Then I will cut my parsley into smaller sizes, not just too small. I'll put it back. I will cut half of my lemon. Remove the seed because the seed can make the smoothie taste so bitter. You will not love it by adding the seed of the lemon. So I removed the seed. I think a little more of the seed fall into the jug, so I decided to remove it with my knife. Then I will add in my plain yogurt, add in a little amount of water and blend everything together. So I am done blending the juice. I'll be putting it into my jug. So as you can see, I've transferred it into my jug. Man, this smoothie is one in a million. This is something you can try and you will not regret it. It's so healthy, nutritious, help detoxify your system, boost your immune, reduce some bloating and regulate your blood pressure. You will love this smoothie. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing. Click the bell notification to always notify you whenever we drop any new video. Once again, thank you for watching my video. To all my old and new subscribers, may God bless you, perfect all that concerns you, and bless you this new week with abundant blessing. See you guys in our next video. Bye guys.